In this video, I will be unboxing and setting up this coffee mug warmer. I purchased this coffee mug warmer because I wanted to keep my drinks warm while I'm sitting at my desk working and also have quite a lot of meetings, and I didn't want to keep filling up my cups and that because I have quite a large cup and I want to keep that drink warm. And you can heat up tea or any other hot drinks or hot chocolates and things like that. So I thought I'd get this, and it's actually really quite nice. It is a socket powered warmer. It's not a USB one, and also it can heat up glass or ceramic or metal cups, so that's really cool. So those settings are there with the different temperatures, and it's about 13 centimeters in diameter, the surface that the cups can sit on, or about 5.11 inches. It's also got a timer, so that's quite cool, so you can keep things warm for up to 9 hours and then it will switch off, so it will maintain that temperature. And what's really cool about this, which is a safety measure, is that it's got a gravity sensor. So when you place a cup on it, it clicks and you can hear the switch come on and then it starts heating up. And as soon as you lift the cup off of it, it then switches off. So it's quite a good safety feature. And what I'm doing in this video here, you can see I've got a temperature tester or thermometer that I use for food and things like that. So I thought I'd use that on the plate as well as in the cups. And I poured some boiling water in these cups, just a small amount earlier on. And then I went upstairs and I put these on the warmer and I left it for about 15 minutes, as you can see here. And then I measure the temperature and you can see that climbing. Then what I did was I left it for around 40 or so minutes in the next part that's coming up. And you can see how warm that actually gets. I swapped from the glass cup to a ceramic cup as well. I'll show you the time on my watch before and after. And you can see that the time has gone down on the timer from 2 hours to 1. So it was doing that quite well, and you can even see the temperatures rising here just from the air coming from the water itself from the cup. And you can even see the condensation on the glass cup. So overall, I really like this warmer. If you guys are looking for one, the link is in the description. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I hope you liked it, and I want to see you in my next video. Cheers!